You came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a 360 cap. You can get them from Alibaba, you can get them from AliExpress or Amazon, and I also sell them, but now I'm going to show you how to make it just in case you can't buy it. Yeah, so what you need is the cap, a lace knit, and thread and needle. That's all you need. And I wanted to use this one because of the fabric, because most of the lace cap that I have, they have this fabric like on top. But then I also want to use this one because it has this adjustable strap. So if you use this cap, you need an adjustable strap, but then if you use this, the material is not the same as this one. So I'll use this one because I want to use this adjustable strap at the back. So let me just measure the fabric that I need and then we sew it. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to measure like 3 centimeters from the hairline, because you're going to cut like a circle. So I'm going to cut a circle like this to create the middle part of my cap. And this paper just like nailing things. So I want my cap to have this shape. So I'm going to measure the size of my head, or the size of the piece that I'm going to cut. It's 21 and a half, but I'm going to cut like 22 and a half just to give it an allowance because I'm going to sew the fabric. Since I cut like 3 centimeters from my hairline to the cap, so I'm going to cut for the lace. Now I'm going to cut like 5 centimeters because I also want that extra piece. From here to here, that was 3 centimeters, and now I just want this extra piece as well. So I'm going to cut 5 or 6 centimeters, which is okay. So the circle that I've drawn is going to be the top part of my cap, and then I went ahead and cut this lace. It's 23 inches by 6, and I decided to apply concealer on it before like sewing it on the cap. So you can just apply the concealer after or before, and then you can get these laces from Amazon, you can get them from AliExpress, but I also sell them. So just get a lace that is almost the same as your skin tone. If you light, get a light one, so that when it comes to applying concealer or blending it after you sew the braids, it's going to be easier for you. Like it's just going to blend with your skin tone. I'm going to pin this lace down and then just sew it on the cap. But the cap that I used on my previous 360 lace wigs, I didn't make them, I bought the caps. So you can just make the cap or you can buy them.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. And I'll be yours. empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
I'm not going to shape this cap right now, like trim the excess lace. I'll do that after I've drawn the shape of my hairline on the cap and sewn the braids on the cap. So after I've sewn the braids on the cap, that is when I'll shape it, and it won't even affect the shape of my wig.
Find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Is our cap. I didn't want to attach the adjustable straps at the back. I'll stitch them when I've already sewn the braids on this cap, because it's still weak right now. I can't just sew it on them, because as you can see for this one, like this part where they've sewn the adjustable straps, this part like is very, very strong here. And let me just try it on.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
So there's no difference between this cap that I've made and the one that I bought. So if you want to make your own cap, you can just make it, and if you want to buy it, you can as well just buy it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, or if you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Out of now. To where we started. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.